In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Steam games offline without an internet connection. Let's dive right into it. First, open your Steam app. You'll need to make sure that you're logged in. So if you're not, go ahead and click on the login button. Once you've done that, enter your account name and password. With everything filled in, click on the sign in button. This will take you to your Steam homepage. Now that you're logged in, click on the library tab. This is where all your games are stored. Scroll through your library and select the game you want to play offline. It's crucial to ensure that all the games you plan to play without internet are fully updated. To do this, highlight the game and check for any updates. Make sure you've downloaded and installed all available updates before proceeding. Keep in mind that if your game isn't updated, you won't be able to play it offline. Once everything is up to date, look at the top of your Steam window and click on Steam in the upper left corner. From the drop down menu, select Go Offline. This puts Steam into offline mode, which is necessary for playing games without internet. At this point, disconnect from your internet completely. You can either disable Wi-Fi on your device or unplug your Ethernet cable. With the internet disabled, navigate back to the game you wish to play and click to launch it. And that's it, you can now enjoy your game offline. It's important to note that while you're offline, you won't be able to access the Steam store or any online features, but you'll have full access to the single player functions of your game. This method is perfect if you're traveling, experiencing internet issues, or simply want to focus on your game without any online distractions. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to get your Steam games up and running offline. Remember, always ensure your games are updated before going offline to avoid any disruptions during gameplay. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out for support. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!